Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful card cum box for the Christmas occasion, and in this you can just put the box inside the card. Isn't it an unique idea? You can just open the box like this. I have put the Tealight inside this, but you can put chocolates or gifts. Super pretty idea. And also I will share how to make the card base along with this beautiful paper quilling Christmas tree. It's looking very attractive. And now I'm just putting back the box quickly, and you can just decorate your desk like this. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I'm taking white color cardstock base which measures 24 by 16 centimeters. I have just folded this from center, and now taking my ruler and pencil, aligning from right side my ruler at 8 centimeters and then just marking at 5.5 and 0 centimeters. Now I'm just making line at the markings. Then rotating the sheet and from left side marking at 5.5 centimeters, again making the line. Now we have the window, so we just need to cut this window using paper, scissor and cutter. Cut both the sheets together. Remember, we have folded the card, so we have to cut both the parts together. And I have separated this part and created the space for the box. Then to make box, I am taking again white cardstock which measures 16.3 by 16.3 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased at 5.5 centimeters. Now I am just folding all the creases and burnishing it very well. Then chopping all four corners like this. Then folding flap like this, but the flaps are little bigger than the center part, so I'm just chopping it little bit from all four sides. Now add glue on these flaps and construct the box. So the box is ready. Now to create the lid, I am taking this sheet which is 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased at 2 centimeters. So just like the box, I am making the lid here. And the lid is ready. Now taking the box and putting it like this, and yes, it is fitting perfectly, and we can just connect the box on top of the card like this. Nicely fitting. Then it's time to decorate the lid. So here I'm taking red color paper strip and just decorating the side of the lid. On the top I am adding gold glitter cardstock square. Similarly decorated the remaining sides. So lid is ready. Now taking the box, and here on one side I have just cut one window by leaving 0.7 centimeter gap from all four sides, and this is one more window on which I have already attached one piece of acetate sheet. Now I am removing all the liners of double-sided tape and sticking it inside the window like this. So it will become the see-through box. Whatever thing you will put inside the box, you can see through the outside. Now to decorate it from outer portion, I am taking here green glitter cardstock window and sticking it like this. And this is done. On the remaining sides, I have just decorated using green glitter cardstock squares. And from inside, I have added light green color square cardstocks. So just putting the lid on the box, and this is done. I have used all the colors related to Christmas. Now taking back the card and taking one more rose gold glitter cardstock, which is 15.8 by 11.8 centimeters, and I am just sticking it on top of the card. So just adding glue on the base and then sticking this glitter cardstock. Now we have to cut the window on this as well. Inside this I have already added green cardstock, and now I'm just cutting the window. And this is perfectly done. Now it has more sturdiness and stiffness. Then to create the beautiful tree, here I am taking one strip of light green and one strip of dark green color in 3 mm. Just folding both the strips from center, so we have half strips now. Now gathering 2 light green strips first, half and then 2 half dark green strips on top of this. Folding this bunch from center and start twisting it in one direction using pointed tweezer. So in this way I am creating one big size scroll. Just secure all the ends. And then twisting it on another direction using tweezer, adding little glue and hold it in the center. Similarly, I am making one small scroll. For this I am taking 2 1/4 strip of light green and 2 1/4 strip of dark green color, again folding from center and twisting it using tweezer and making small size scroll. So this is done. In the same way I have already prepared some bigger size scrolls and smaller size scrolls using 1 strips, 1/3 strip, half strip and 1/4 strips according to the sizes. So we have to prepare these scrolls in different sizes. And then to create the trunk of the tree, I am taking here 1 strip of dark brown color in 3 mm and making one long triangular shape. like this. Then taking back the card and taking here one more cardstock which is 7 by 11 centimeters. I have taken green cardstock and on top of this I have added gold glitter cardstock. Now I am sticking this piece on the left side of the card. And then it's time to decorate this with our handmade quilling patterns. So I'm starting with sticking the trunk and then just start arranging all these scrolls from broader to the thinner way, just like the tree shape. And we need to organize these designs just randomly. Whatever looks nice, add scroll there. There is no design pattern. You have to just fill all the gaps in proper way. So the beautiful Christmas tree is ready. Now it's time to decorate this. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of red color in 3 mm and just making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more tight coils. Now randomly I am adding some glue dots between the scroll to just fill the areas and sticking these tight coils. Also using some yellow and white color diamond stones to decorate the center parts of the scroll. Like this. How gorgeous this is looking. Now just decorating the right side of the card using this border design. And then I have this beautiful cutout for the sentiment which I have cut using red cardstock. And inside this I am adding hand written sentiment, Merry Christmas, like this. Then taking back the box and just to decorate it from top to give it the gift box look, I am just adding red color strip in plus manner, just like we tie the bows. And to decorate this from sides, I have used border design. Kept two sides as it is because we are going to insert it inside the card. Now on the top I am just adding red color strip loops like this to create the bow flower in 8 directions. Can you see how gorgeous this is looking? And exactly in the center I am adding white color half cut pearl to complete the look. And the super cute box is ready. Just looking like a real gift box. And then I am just putting the Tealight inside the box. You can also put chocolates or any gift. Adding the lid and then just inserting from top of the card. It's a very unique idea to gift in the Christmas. It comes with the card and the box together, so you don't need to create the separate things. You can just decorate your desk using this beautiful card like this in the upcoming Christmas festival and create it in different colors. And the gorgeous card cum box is ready. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.